How's it going everyone, Zkage here and welcome back to another video on the channel where today, yes, after almost an entire year, Xenoverse 2 Revamp has finally updated to be compatible with the latest version. Now, since it's been so long, today I'm just going to be doing a quick refresher on just how to mod this game and most importantly how to install Xenoverse 2 Revamp. So, let's get straight into it. So, to go ahead and get started, obviously make sure you have the latest version of Xenoverse 2 installed on Steam, and then we're going to go ahead and head over to the very first link in the description, where we should find something akin to this, Eternity Tools on videogamemods.com. Just go ahead and hit download mod. Now we're going to see a bunch of different things here, but we only need to worry about downloading Xenoverse 2 Patcher 4.64 at the very bottom here. And then just a bit above that, skip this one, Xenoverse 2 ins.rar. We're going to go ahead and grab that as well. All these other files are optional. I would really only recommend downloading these if you know what they are, you know what they do, and there's something you want to do with them. But if you're completely new to Xenoverse modding, don't worry about any of it and just grab Patcher 4.64 and the INS. Don't worry about anything else. Now once you've done that, head over to wherever you have the files downloaded, obviously extract both of them, and we're going to go into our Xenoverse 2 Patcher 4.64, then head on over to your Xenoverse directory, should look something like this. We're going to grab the bin folder, copy, and paste. I'm not going to because I already have. Do the same with the XV2 Patcher folder, copy, paste. Again, I won't because as you can see, I already have. And if you go into the XV2 Patcher folder and then we go to this xv2patcher.ini, it opens up a notepad, or it might be something else for you, but it'll probably be a notepad with a bunch of different stuff we can change from false to true to add different effects to the game. Now, you don't have to worry about this. Everything here is 100% optional, but I do like to go through because there is some good stuff here, like, offline mode, so you don't have to wait 30 seconds for it to connect to the network every time, taking control of CPU allies, staying transformed in cutscenes. There's just a bunch of little stuff, infinite offline mode battle timer, that's a big help. Just a bunch of little stuff that really helps elevate the experience. It is all optional though. Now once we've done that, our patcher should be fully set up. We're just going to go back to wherever we downloaded them once again and go to the Xenoverse 2 INS this time, and we're just going to boot up the xv2ins.exe. For now, don't worry about any of the other exes. Worry about them once you're more well versed in Xenoverse modding, because these exes are for creating actual mods. So we don't have to worry about that for now. Just boot xv2ins.exe, and for you it'll come up with a language selector, so you can select your language and then it'll ask you for your directory. So you'll just go to your directory and select xenoverse2.exe. In fact, I believe I can show you. If you just go clear installation, tools clear installation, then it deletes all of your mods and just resets the INS. So I can actually use that to show you. We'll go ahead and hit OK. I had Revamp installed while testing everything for this video, so that'll just completely delete and reset now. Alright, the mod installation has been cleared successfully. Program will now restart automatically. We hit OK. As you can see, it asks us for our game path. I'll just go Xenoverse 2 modded. I have two installations set up at the moment. This one's vanilla, this one's modded. You don't have to do that. That's just what I like to do. So we'll go Xenoverse 2 modded, and then bin, and then dbxv2.exe, open, and OK. And then it asks us for the language. We're obviously going to select English. If you would prefer a different language, of course you can go ahead and select that, and we will hit OK, and then our INS is set up. Keep in mind, you need to have the INS set up in order to install Revamp. And now just simply head over to the second link in the description but you'll find this page here, revampxv2.com. This is the Revamp Team's website, where they have all their updates, but most importantly, the download link to Revamp. So just hit that little download tab there. We have the main download here, which is off Google Drive. Just hit download, and then download anyway. Now sometimes this can happen. Revamp has only just updated, so the mod is very popular at the moment. So it will come up with, you know, this, too many users downloaded this file recently, please try accessing again later, blah blah blah. This is not a problem at all, because the Revamp team, being the amazing human beings that they are, have provided us with an alternative link through their Patreon that is completely free to use. We just click that link there, alternative link Patreon, it'll send us here, and we just have to scroll to the bottom and click download on this file. Now I'm not actually going to download it because I already have. Head over to wherever you downloaded Revamp, obviously extract it, go into the folder, and then go into the installer, run the installer.exe, make sure the directory is correct. Now for this one, do not go in the bin folder, just the root directory folder. Just the DB Xenoverse 2 folder. Do not go in the bin folder, just the main folder itself, if that makes sense. And we'll go ahead and hit select folder. Next, better skin tones. I mean, why would you not want that? And then we can add no glow for Beast, Gohan, and Broly. You can do this if you want. Personally, I'll say no, so the whole roster is more consistent. And then that's it. We just have to hit next and it will begin installing. And as you can see, it now says mod successfully installed. Go ahead and hit OK. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to navigate back to our Xenoverse 2 directory, and we're going to go to the bin folder, and we're just going to take a look at dbxv2.exe once again. Now, make sure to only boot the game from this exe from now on, okay? If you boot it from Steam or if you boot it from the normal application, the mods will not work, and it might even stuff up your game. Honestly, I've never tried it, simply because I know that you're not supposed to, so it might mess up your game, it might not, I really don't know. But just keep in mind that it could, alright? So we're only going to boot the game through this exe now that we've installed mods. What I like to go ahead and do is I like to right click it, go to show more options, and then create a shortcut to this exe, and then go ahead and put that on my desktop so I can easily boot that exe from my desktop, and then I don't have to go all the way through my directory and here into the bin folder in order to get it set up. Now what we're going to do is everything should be set up, so we're just going to go ahead and boot the exe, and hypothetically we should have Xenoverse 2 Revamp perfectly installed. And here we have it, Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 Revamp on version 1.25.02 on the version 4.64 patcher. I'm honestly in disbelief. I still can't believe this mod. I mean, it may as well be its own game, honestly. But yeah, I'm still in disbelief that this has finally been updated. I'm so grateful to everyone in the Revamp team. This mod is just absolutely incredible. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you've been able to follow this tutorial, and now you can enjoy this absolute peak for yourself.